Handle out-of-the-ordinary cleaning requests by confirming scope, risks, and price before you agree to the job. Start by asking the client exactly what they expect and why it is out of the ordinary. Then repeat their words back to confirm you understand. Assess feasibility on site or by detailed photos, noting safety hazards, access limitations, and specialized materials so you can estimate time and supplies accurately. If the task requires different chemicals, tools, or protocols, explain those needs and any extra charges using clear, itemized language so the client can approve or decline. Document the agreed scope in writing and include a simple checklist or numbered steps that your team will follow so nothing gets missed. If the job may cause damage or void warranties, tell the client upfront and suggest safer alternatives or recommend a specialist. Train staff with a short procedure sheet for uncommon tasks and run a supervised trial the first time so you learn realistic timing and risk controls. Common mistakes include underquoting because the team did not fully assess the job, which you avoid by requiring photographs or an on-site inspection and by building a buffer into quoted time. Missing special surface or material care instructions, which you avoid by asking about materials up front and testing a small inconspicuous area first, and failing to document agreed exceptions and extra fees, which you avoid by sending the client a written work order and having them confirm by message or signature. Keep the tone conversational when you explain limits to clients and offer written follow-up so expectations stay aligned. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like these and helps people discuss unusual cleaning needs with peers and pros. We provide a discussion community where users share tips, trade vendor names, and talk through whether a task is reasonable. And we make it easier for contractors to find work from clients who need flexible service.